You know, I do admire your confidence, especially in the face of a humiliating defeat.
I have my family, I have my friends, I have my students. I'm already a winner.
Well, that's half true. After this fight, your family will be there for you. But what they don't know is how it actually feels to lose a fight of this magnitude. Well, you do. Because you've been there. You know what it's like on the other side, and you know it's going to haunt you for the rest of your life.